from Hyderabad. I'm an application architect working for an IT company called RealPage India Private Limited. I recently have attended a session on AI tools by Aditya Kachave. I must say it was one of the best sessions in a long time. I This session has introduced me a lot of fascinating AI tools. I'm quite impressed with the insights on libgen.rs and Chrome extensions called Merlin and Read Aloud. Um, and these tools were really helpful for me because always I wanted to have access to quality books, but I couldn't. But now I know how to access them and even generate audio to read them aloud. Um, and also there is one tool called perplexity.ai, and I've been using it. It is actually gives you very more refined results. um, it was a very relevant tool for me. I've been using it at my workplace. And and then these tools particularly added a lot of value to at both at my personal and professional level. I've been using them at my workplace, and I've been and now I'm able to do my job more effectively and efficiently, thanks to the session, for giving the such a good content. Thank you, Aditya Kachave, for giving such an impactful content. Thank you so much.